Hi, welcome to Merrick My Gadget, and I'm going to show you the best car audio Bluetooth receiver out there, in case you need one. So let me show you. So this is it. It's the Ugreen car Bluetooth audio receiver. And how does it work? Well, in essence, what you get is you get a plug-in USB port. So let me show you. So you get quite a sharp little, smart little USB port. And then you get on the other end just a normal jack you'd use for your headphones. So the device that you're playing music out of needs to have one of these. iPods, things like that. Yes, you will have a jack like that. And then the way that it works is really, really, really simple. And this is why I wanted to do this video, really. So let me show you where you can plug it into your car. If you see a cigarette adapter here with a USB plug, or you may have separate USB plugs. But in any case, even if you plug this in to a USB 3-pin plug, it would still work. But let me just show you. So if I plug this in here like this, okay, then what happens is nothing, you can't really see anything at the moment. It doesn't show you that it's on or anything, but you literally just look for that on your Bluetooth. So let me show you what it looks like when I search my Bluetooth. So okay, on my car I have Bluetooth built in, so actually I look for the Bluetooth. You'll see it shows me the Ugreen Bluetooth device, and all I do is just click on that. So that means I can then plug this in to an iPad, iPod, anything that may not support Bluetooth, cassette player, whatever it may be. I can play music out the Bluetooth, and the only thing that you really need is this simple lead. And if you wanted to do this indoors, So if you wanted to do this indoors, you could quite easily, because all you do indoors is you plug that into a USB plug, and then you can plug this other end into a device. So if you have like an old turntable or an old hi-fi, or if you wanted to plug this into a tape player or something like that, you could then transmit over Bluetooth to a stereo or Bluetooth radio, whatever you may have. Really good. I've really liked it. I've used it. The reason I've got it is I've got an old mini disc player. I know there's probably some of you out there who didn't even know what mini discs are, but I bought it for that. So I don't use it in the car, I actually use it in the house to play my mini discs over my Bluetooth system. So yeah, okay, I hope that's helped. Thanks for watching. Please do like, please subscribe, and yeah, thank you.